Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we'll learn how to convert numbers to text in Google Sheets in just 1 minute. Let's get started. Open the sheet. Go to Extensions. Click on App Script. The script editor window opens. Delete any existing code and paste the script below. You can take a screenshot of the code. Click on Save button. Return to the sheet and type the formula is equal to num to text. Select the cell. Press Enter. Double-click or drag the fill handle down to copy the formula to other cells. Now you can see the result by entering new entries to check the output. Like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next video.